says he's got a boiler and it's not getting warm on the second floor, and someone went over there and changed some kind of control on the boiler, so he thinks it's that, or it needs to be purged, or I don't know. Sounds like someone is over there Mickey Mousing around with shit. They didn't know what they were doing, maybe.
Keep right to the road, then turn right.
We'll see if we get some. Says he see me on YouTube. Or whatever. We'll go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it.
Turn right on State Road.
Not rocket science, Mama. Not rocket science.
Also, in the tenant upstairs, second floor.
It's probably airbound. Both zones.
Well, my son said his temperatures. He has one of these.
These are running right here.
Which one? That one? Too?
Both circulators are running, but they're not coming back warm. This is going out nice and toasty.
Yeah, that one is. Yes.
Unless it's airbound.
He said he's been hearing noise.
Might have to bleed it upstairs on the second floor.
Oh boy, he's not home either.
So that's what's going to have to happen.
Yeah.
Gotta be bled.
Oh boy.
They're running. See, these are big. These are probably old cast iron radiators or something upstairs.
That's what they are, cast iron base.
Oh, it's got to be bled upstairs. Feeder was stuck.
Oh, what?
Not getting any water up there.
Ah.
See it?
Yeah.
Now it's going to feed. See, it was stuck.
Huh.
Probably no water in the boiler.
Oh, yeah, that's why he's been hearing noise.
Yeah, but you're probably going to have to go up. She's not home. You got to bleed the radiators upstairs.
Right now, too.
Well, she know how to bleed the radiators with a screwdriver? Huh?
I don't think she'll know how to do it. My son doesn't even know how to do it. The cast iron baseboard, what do you have to do every one?
Well, maybe now we got the feeder going. Yeah, you got to bleed all the radiators. I mean, it's all cast iron, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Once it starts coming back warm, let's see. I mean, the thing was definitely stuck.
That's called what?
That's the water feeder.
Water feeder. And she's not home.
Now, I'm surprised you should have told me that. I wouldn't have came. I didn't know the people aren't around.
Well, second floor is it? I don't know if you have to get up there. I thought you could probably leave it down here. But...
No, not the way this is. There's no purge stations. This is all old cast iron shit. Monoflow system, most likely.
Something a lot, though. You probably might have the key for a pot then too.
Give it a little bit. She might not even have the thermostat turned up.
I think she said she keeps it at 65 all the time.
Calling. Yeah, it's calling. Give it a little bit. I mean, don't forget, we just...
Yeah.
This one's going to start coming back warm now, I think.
This one's warm.
No, the first floor is not calling for heat.
Yeah, see, that's the problem. He said his had heat, but she had no heat. But like you said, there's probably no water.
Well, it could have been that feeder. I mean, it might start coming back now. Give it a little bit. Yeah, because that's why his isn't. His isn't calling. The first floor is not calling. Because he says he's got heat. So his is working. It's hers that ain't working.
This is 3 zones. I think he has another zone down here. Yeah, see this one.
Yeah, the other zone is...
Hers is cold.
Yeah, this one's getting warm. Well, I'm going to have to bleed the radiators.
Yeah, dude. There's nowhere to call him because he's in the recovery room right now at Hawthorne.
Well, give it a minute. It might start coming back warm. I mean, it's probably flipping airbound.
Yeah. That's probably what's been making the noise in the house.
Right. You gotta bleed the radiators every so often.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He's been here, what, 8 years? Never did nothing. I think 8 years he owned the house. Never did nothing. Nothing at all.
I can hear it running.
But it got warm the other day.
Well, it should start heating up. I mean, it's
But
going
the
out
noise,
hot.
The noise won't go away.
No, unless you get the air out of it.
Yeah.
Especially if it's loaded with air. The feeder was definitely stuck. Yeah, it feeds water. Let's see what the boiler temperature says here. Sometimes what happens in a case like that is the expansion tank might be compromised too. Now that you got water to it, could start blowing the relief valve. Well, maybe not. I mean, she's starting to come back warm now.
You know you don't work Saturdays.
Well, we'll work Saturday, but time and a half.
I'm surprised with the guy the other day when he put the relay on. He did it.
Well, the relay's fine.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean this?
Yeah, that's what he put in.
Why'd he put that in? Was a problem with the...
Yeah, was it even igniting?
Yeah, it's not making that whining noise anymore.
No.
Yeah, it was just not enough water, not enough pressure. It's gonna starting to come back a little warm now. And, you know, it's cast iron baseboard, so it's gonna suck the heat right out of it.
Yeah.
And you know, if that don't work, then you gotta bleed the radiators. And she's not around.
I don't think so. I think it's shit, nothing to do with it.
I'm surprised she didn't leave the door unlocked. Yeah, she's quieted down now. Calls me here and they can't even get in the second floor. Can't bleed the radiators or can't get in the house.
Don't forget my
Alright, starting to come back warm now, but we still probably have to get up there and bleed the radiators maybe.
Now, would you want me by the toilet or?
Not a 10-inch rough. Was it a 10-inch rough?
Yeah, they had one there.
Oh yeah, she's coming back warm now. She's gonna have heat up there. Feel it. Feel the pipe.
Alright. Hey, you don't mind me asking, you have 2 dogs or one?
One. Feel it?
Yeah.
That's the return. That's the return. It's coming back, but you might have to bleed them upstairs. All right.
Alright.
If you're still having issues, you got to bleed them radiators.
Yeah, the first floor seems pretty good.
Yeah. So I showed you how to bleed the first floor.
Yeah.
Should be the same on the second. All right.
Okay.